How to upload a photo to FaceApp? First of all, open the FaceApp application on your device. Once it loads, you will be on the main screen where you will see two main options, one to take a new photo and another to choose an existing photo from your gallery. To upload a photo, tap on the photo icon or the gallery option. This will open your device photo library. You may be asked to allow FaceApp access to your media. If so, tap allow to continue. Now browse through your gallery and select the photo you want to edit. Once selected, the image will load inside FaceApp's editing workspace. From here, you can explore various filters and tools like hair, ease, smile, makeup, skin, and many more. Simply tap on any of these filters to apply the effects instantly and preview the results in real time. If you are happy with the edits, you can save the image by tapping the save icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you know how to upload a photo to FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.